What's going on, everybody? It's Adam 5.0 back here with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be going through what catback exhaust I have and my long tube headers, and I'm going to be doing some flybys and some revs, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it sounds like with the exhaust setup I have now. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video, and please subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, and for the past few videos I've gotten some more subscribers, some more likes, so please hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to be uploading a lot more than I've been used to. So for those of you that are new to the channel, this is my 2018 Mustang GT. I recently just got my tint done, and I just made a video on that. I just got the car ceramic coated, and I got it buffed, full paint correction. So if you missed those videos, definitely go back and watch those videos. They're just a few videos down. So this is my car. I've had 3 cars. If you want to know my story, go watch the other videos. And yeah. So without further ado, let's get started with some revs. Well, before I do the revs and flybys, I should probably explain what exhaust I have and with the long tubes and the whole setup. So first, let's start off with the catback. So my catback exhaust is a Ford Performance by Borla catback exhaust. It's the loudest version that comes from Ford Performance by Borla. In my last black one, I had an MBRP catback. But I really love this Borla catback. Sounds really nice. And then last summer I got headers done. So what I did was I bought stainless power long tube headers for the car. It really woke the car up. I'm telling you, like, it's night and day difference. You can tell, and I think it's 100% worth it. People say it's not worth it for the money, but I'm telling you, it is so worth it. So with these two combinations, like, together, this car sounds amazing. It is so loud too. I love it. It's definitely an eye-opener. It'll break people's neck. It's definitely a combo you should definitely get if you have a Mustang GT and you need a catback or long tubes. Go with this setup, or just get a stainless power headers and Course Extreme, whatever you want. But this is my setup and I love it. When I got the car ceramic coated, I also got my wheels coated, and look how clean they look. These are matte black Ford Performance wheels. It looks so clean, and I love how the ceramic coated water just falls right off of them. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with some of the revs. Okay guys, so there are some of the revs for you. I forgot to mention my long tube headers are catless. I do not have any cats. So those revs sounded really good. So next up, we're gonna set up the camera and we're gonna do some flybys. that's gonna do it for today's video. I would have done like a longer pull, but I ran out of room. I'm in my neighborhood. It's a 35 mile an hour road, and you know, I stayed around 35, you know. But yeah, whenever I find a road that's open and longer and a higher up miles per hour, then I'll definitely do a longer pull and get that on video. But for now, that's pretty good for what you can hear. So, but yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. If you have any ideas of what I could do for another video, definitely drop it down in the comment. Let me know what you think of this video and tell me what you think of the car. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. So make sure you leave a like, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.